Girl, it's your birthday, let's turn up. Girl, it's your birthday, let's turn up. I know you got a feeling, I know you feel it. I wanna fuck from the front to the side. I fuck on your body like a nympho. I'm on the way, so send your info. Make it way down, make all the chill grow. I put your legs.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Hip hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip hip! Hooray! Period! Period! Clock it! Clock it!
Yo, I don't know why the people are saying.
Morning, guys. Good morning. So it's my birthday morning. I feel good. I'm growing older. It's so fucking crazy because like there's this trend that started this year. They said like 2016 was 10 years ago, and it's so crazy because like 2016, I can still remember 2016. I was in secondary school, boarding school, doing all of boarding school stuff, and here I am 10 years later, supposedly an adult that I have no idea what I'm adulting or what I'm doing as an adult. I'm just really grateful to God to be able to celebrate my 26th birthday. I'm actually 26 years old, and I can't believe that I'm actually 26 years old. Like, I know people who are married with kids. When my mom was 26, she already had like 2 kids, if not 3. So I'm like, But I'm really grateful to God to be able to celebrate my 26th birthday. Not just celebrate it hella hearty, celebrate it with my sisters, my family, my friends, my loved ones. And yeah, it's my birthday morning. We're going to do birthday things. I was asleep last night, guys, and my sister brought me a gift. I was so sleepy yesterday, so I couldn't. Hold on. Yes, no, my sister came over, and what better way to celebrate the birthday girl if not true? You already know what this is. This is the way to my heart, one and only way to my heart. And clock that tea. I've not unboxed it. I don't want to open it. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it when the time is right. I don't want to open it. So I'm so happy today. I'm so grateful. I'll see you guys later on in the day. Bye bye.
Oh my God! Birthday girl is so fire.
Hey guys, it's currently past noon. I want to start getting ready. I'm going to start doing my makeup. Even though we're leaving by 12, I'm going to take my time with my makeup because I want to take pictures. We want to chill, and I'll keep you guys posted. So remember this bag? Yeah. I have literally 4 beauty blenders, and I use all. So there's this babe, Tanit, on TikTok. I usually use her makeup tutorials sometimes to do my makeup. I really want my makeup to eat. That's what we're gonna do. I use Zickel foundation. This is the lighter concealer that I use. LA girl. So it's actually always buy makeup, and they recommended this. I use it in this shade. I use this too. This for pressed powder. Guys, it's currently 32:34, and I placed an order from this business on TikTok. I messaged her on WhatsApp, And I told her that when I placed the order on 23rd January, I told her that the food should be delivered on time before 3 p.m. And we agreed on that. Like I placed order over on 23rd of February, on 23rd of January 2026. And I asked that the food be delivered before 3 p.m. Yesterday I also sent her a reminder. Yeah, I can't believe that I'm doing this. And asked her to ensure that the food is going to be delivered on time, which is before 3 p.m. because I'm going to be leaving my house at 3 p.m. Now it's 2:35. I've called her. I've texted her. I've even called her over the phone. Where's my call history? This is all the call I gave her today. And I'm trying to get through to this babe and she's not answering. And I actually found out just now that this is the owner of the business. This girl. I actually found out that she's the owner of the business. I just never paid attention to it. And I'm calling her not. She's not answering my call. I've asked a few persons who know her personally if they could give me her number. I've not gotten a response from one. The other person said she doesn't have her number. So I'm calling her. The call is going through. She's not answering. My messages on WhatsApp have delivered. And I returned it. I'm calling her again. The first message is taking like one. I don't know if you guys can see. The first message has one. This one, it's delivered, but she's not responding. Halima is calling me back. Hi, Halima. How are you? It's going well, though. I was calling you because I. Do you have a number? Or do you know anyone that have a phone number? Oh, please. Oh, it's not well. I just need to get through to her as soon as possible today. Yes. So I wanted to know if you knew anyone who could get her number. I can't reach her. So that's why I said, let me call you because I know you mentioned her one time. All right. Thank you. Thank you. What else should I ask now? Okay, someone has sent me a voice note. Wait a minute. What's the time? I should have what? 2:33. Let's wait until this just to order for the app. And she refund me. She refund you now, but what do you use? Because I'm not even going to play with her. This thing. Alright guys. So we're gonna it's neat. Hey guys, I'm supposed to be very annoyed now, but you know, it's my birthday. Nothing can freaking piss me off. So the stupid ass food vendor, she hasn't like the food is still not here. So I had to call. We now had to place another for another food. We had to place another for another food, and I had to now call a whole new vendor and try. And I've spent extra. Guys, I'm recording a video. So I had to order a whole new set of food for everybody, and I had to call the people I booked for the cruise, and speak to them that, oh, I have an unexpected emergency. Can we move? Hold on, guys. Our drinks. These are the drinks. We have wine and sobo. It came with this stupid ass meal. These meals are terrible, by the way. So we got food. These are paper cups. Then we have tissue because we don't have wipes. Also, then these are plantains and meat.
You can pay my phone with the cord.
These are small chops. They even put 17. Oh my god, it looks so nice and it's hot.
The ride is 4 minutes away.
Guys, we just arrived. We are at the jet now, waiting to load. This is Choma. Lauren. Nothing about you, man.
What the hell is happening?
I don't think so. I hear when the others arrived, we still at 7. I actually told everybody that we are sitting at 6. No, I was sitting at 7. But this is stinking meat. You can imagine.
Stay inside here, big.
Wait, why didn't come and help you?
Birthday girl.
Who is she?
This is that lucky person. Thank you.
Very good. This is a tall. I don't know if you guys can even see well, but see more room here. Thank you. Oh my days. Okay, no.
Purchase your tracks today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday birthday. Happy birthday to you. We wish you long life. 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 Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! So what are we cutting to? What are we cutting to?
I'm putting the first one. Hello? What are we cutting to?
Should we cut to Ogamon is a long name to the maximum words. Okay, so M A X I M A. Congratulations on a new name.
Welcome to my Maximus 26.
I wanna do for the brother. And you put back in the upper level. Just see me, she be jolly. Let me out the sound, come and soda. Come and soda. Come and soda. Sitting night in the club with the gunner. Everybody ready for the mother. I want the body for the social. I know we let anyone control. Anything I want. I want the body for the social. I know we let anyone control. I want to walk again. You share them on them, baby. I'm not kidding. I live my girl, you too far up, baby. Let me know that they be fun.
Happy New Year! You're making use of our free will. Guys, just let me be.
I also make use of my free will.
Are you sure?
YOLO, baby.
You live and live one.
Yes,
You almost fell into
It is ditch.
this is not for free.
No, it's not my target. I have a target audience.
Exactly.
Range Rover, BMW, Benz,
Hey guys, good morning. So it's the day after my birthday, 1st February 2026, guys. So today I'm heading to the salon. Sorry, not the salon. I'm heading to the spa to get a massage done. We're going to get body massage done today, and you know the birthday celebration continues. I'm going to get massage done, and I'm going to also do pedicure. So it's spa day for me. And what else am I doing? I'm also, when I get back home today, I'm also going to unbox my gifts from yesterday. So let me show you guys my outfits of the day. I'm wearing this two-piece set from Temu, the blue one, the shorts. So that's basically it.
1 hour later.
Guys, I'm just got done with my massage right now. It was so relaxing, actually, very relaxing. And they massaged my head. You know how I used to watch ASMR videos when they're massaging people's head?
And so it felt like we are the one.
Yeah, so I'm going now to go get my pedicure done while my sisters get waxed. So bye guys. Let me go get my pedicure done. See ya.
Makes me feel special. No, living all that if I can't be with you. Show me your eyes so I can tell the truth. Oh, I got somehow I can't be.
Is it a fast food or a restaurant?
It's like the place.
Okay. Come. You know when you're inside the car, you think somebody is 5 minutes away. It's not 5 minutes away. Hey guys! Oh my god! It's finally the day after my birthday. My birthday weekend is over. I had such a swell time, and tomorrow I get back to work. I get back to grinding. I get back to my job. So what we are doing now is that we're going to unbox my birthday gifts. Okay? So let me show you guys what I got for my birthday. That's how strong on my birthday gifts that I got is this. We really know what this is. I got an envelope of cash, my favorite thing on earth from my sister. We have cash inside. Ego, you may go. Also something I like. Next is I got this from one of my girls that came for my cruise. This is Target. I've never used any of these products before. That is actually so cute. 4 eye patches, and then a sheet mask. This is a 2-in-1 sheet mask. This is vitamin C sheet mask from Face Facts. Then this gift, my younger sister, she's in uni. She delivered it. She placed an order on Junior for me for the gift. I think I have an idea of what this gift is. I honestly think I have an idea, but let's open it. Guys, a tripod. You know what's crazy? I actually just purchased one recently, and it's so thoughtful. Oh my god, this spray is so pretty. Like, it's actually way prettier. It's so cool. Like, I've not had something of this. I feel like this one has better quality than the one I'm currently using. Like, it has better quality than the one I'm currently using. Like, it's so cool, and I love, like, guys, this is so fire. Also, this is how you open it. I love it. I actually do love it so much. I actually even prefer it to the one. I actually prefer it to the one I currently have. I'm so happy. It's actually so cute. So this, I actually got this way before my birthday. But I haven't. I saw what it said, but like I haven't opened it. I haven't used it. I don't know what it smells like. Like, I let my curiosity. My curiosity is not way. So we have body butter, body spray, and I think it's for the hair. Smells so nice. This is what it looks like inside. For the body mist, this is body mist. Actually smells just like the body butter. It's actually so cute. Actually so cute. It's actually so cute. Hold on. This actually came way before my birthday. And I got this from who do we have here? The shoe. Can you guys take a look at this? Have you seen this? I'm wearing it to work tomorrow. Are you freaking kidding me? And it's in burgundy. I'm wearing it tomorrow. Also, my birthday cake was a gift too from my sister. Open sesame. Close sesame. Okay. Oh my god. It's so cute. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's so cute, guys. So cute. Aww. So cute and so portable. Like. And that's it for my gift. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy to everyone. My family, my sisters, my friends. Especially those who sent me, who gave me cash. And, you know, came true for me. I had a wonderful birthday. And I'm glad to have celebrated this year. Hale and hearty. I just received this from the office. My younger sister sent it to me. So cute. I think I have an idea what's inside, but I won't unbox it until I get home. So, yeah. Hi guys, good evening. How are we doing? I'm back from work. I'm actually very hungry, but I just quickly popped on here to make this video because I know if I don't make it now, I'm going to keep postponing and I may end up never making this video. So, while I was at the office today, I received another birthday gift and it's from my younger sister too. So we're going to unbox it. I think I have an idea of what's inside. Let's unbox. Let's unbox. I wish my birthday was every day. Okay. Sesame. First things first. What do we have here? I actually put my sister's name on it. So the second thing is care instructions for the jewelry. And then this is the jewelry. This is it. So starting off strong. Oh, there's a note inside. Oh my god, it's so cute. I knew it. Exactly, clock it. Oh my god, guys, it's so cute. Oh, cute. Oh, it's so lovely. It's a fire, actually. I love it. I can't wait to wear it. You know, the friends, I've always wanted a jewelry with a name tag, but I just keep doing like this and I end up never getting it. But how did I end up getting it in 2026 for my birthday? It's so pretty. It's actually so fire. Do you guys know the funny thing? My birthday cake, I've not eaten it. I don't even know what it tastes like. Oh, I'm going to have it tonight for, you know. So cute. Love it. Lovely. Thank you. My Shayla, thank you. I'm out of breath. I'm happy to have celebrated this year hell and hearty. I'm so excited for what 26 brings for me. I can't actually believe that I'm 26 years old. So if you guys watched this video up to this point, even though it's a weekend after my birthday, you can still wish me a happy birthday. Thank you guys, and thank you for doing another year with me. Happy birthday to me. It's regardless of the date is. I'm happy, I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and most importantly, above all, I'm blessed and I'm loved. Good night, guys. Same time next week. Bye.
Mwah. No balls.